Okay, so here we are with the base attachment, the SKUZEE multifunctional lid, and the chilling wand. So if you're ever gonna go out on a picnic with your friends and you're worried that your freshly brewed drink is gonna become warm and not very desirable anymore, don't worry. Flight of Design has got you covered with this very, very special chilling wand. So again, to assemble it, we're gonna take the chilling wand, put it together, screw it tight, and you follow the 4 connecting points with your SKUZEE lid. Attach it, turn it shut till you hear the click, and you gently slide your chilling wand into your container and take it shut, and then you're ready to go on your picnic. Okay, so now I'm going to take off the SKUZEE lid and show you guys how to disassemble the chilling wand. So same concept as the other accessories. You're going to find the connection points and slowly pull the SKUZEE lid back until you've disattached all 4 parts. Then you're going to take out the chilling wand, unscrew it, and then you're all set. Have you ever gone out and you're just about to set up for your picnic and you realize, oh no, I forgot to bring my cup? Don't worry, SKUZEE's got you covered. All you need to do is remove the SKUZEE multifunctional lid, set it right, make sure you got the valve closed, and pour away. Cheers.